Presidente Donald Trump sale già sabato anoche para su primer viaje per continente asiático durante la presidencia aquí, con stop na Malasia, Japón y Sur Corea. Presidente Trump está preparado para topar con el líder de China, Xi Jinping, el próximo viernes na Sur Corea. Este llega en un momento tenso para la relación entre América y China, después que ambos países estaban calmos por varias lunas por motivo de cierta medida. China apara momentáneamente su restricción riba mineral raro que es esencial para productos electrónicos, auto y semiconductores. Beijing avisa que la innovación estaba en reacción a la expansión de sanciones de parte de Washington que tiene que ver con la exportación de tecnología de mercado. La administración de Trump anunció ayer que está investigando si China está cumpliendo condiciones de un acuerdo comercial que ahora negociado durante el primer mandato de Trump. También está planeado imponer una tarifa adicional de 100% riba productos chineses y control de exportación riba todo software crítico comenzando el próximo lunes. El huracán Melissa aborta una tormenta de categoría 5, pues su amenaza para habitantes y seguro un peligro mortal. Un orden de evacuación obligatorio está en vigor en varias partes de Jamaica mientras la tormenta está llegando. Y está sintiendo el impacto de la tormenta en la costa. La tormenta está trece viento con velocidad máxima de 160 millas por hora. El Centro Nacional de Huracán indica que la tormenta Melissa lo pasa arriba parte de Jamaica, comenzando agua y mal tiempo lo sigue para llamarse.
Regardless of where it enters and where it exits, there is going to be massive flooding as a result of the surf that is going to require persons to relocate from their existing locations.
Halloween está bem porta e já está mirando qual haunted house lo visitar aqui. Kiko te secreto tras de haunted house, nos colega de CNN Isabel Rosales abai tras de cortina e tem el siguiente reportaje.
This haunted house rests on 10 sprawling acres, and every single day they can expect over 1,000 patrons to come through these stores. They also boast over 450 animatronics and special effects. Let's go inside to see just what makes it so scary.
The secret is pleasing the group.
How do you make sure that it's really scary?
In the brain, there's a thing called the amygdala. It protects you by suddenly taking over the conscious mind. Everything is safe here, but if the amygdala senses potential danger, bam, it kicks in. And that's when your body starts to react. Your skin gets paler. All the blood flows to your muscles, and you get into that fight or flight response. It's crazy how people react.
It sounds like once you step into a haunted house, you're being attacked from all angles.
Absolutely.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
What we want to do is keep you off balance. It's not so much a horror movie as an action movie. It's constantly things are jumping out. There's animatronics everywhere. There's sound, there's lighting, there's huge monsters. All this is setting you up for the actors. It's distraction, it's just over-the-top action, and also the suspense of not knowing what's going to happen. When people are going to come here, they start getting nervous. It's like the click, 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 click of a roller coaster. This is our Wolf Gorge area. We have an actor on a wire that flies over your head, and they walk right around this corner, and hidden in this hole is another werewolf actor. He reaches out and hits a button with a sound scare and a light. This is the Mega Mountain. This is a puppet. This thing has a bite that is massive in scale, and we can actually come up to a person.
Oh, it really moves. Oh my goodness.
Bite them, and then we can pull them back into the darkness. And this plays into that fear. This is a gory room. The Stitcher is going to sew people together with different creatures. It's gross.
But to really understand fear, I gotta join the monsters.
What you'll do is you'll take your hand and lunge out.
I feel like there's a talent deep inside. The problem is I can't stop laughing after I scare people.
Imo siya nang gusta disfrazar pa Halloween e asina trick or treat den vecindario lang. Kuata e disfraz ng mas popular ay aquí pa tanto mucha y adulto. Spider-Man é escogencia popular pa mucha lang. Cualquier disfraz de un superhéroe tariba lista pa ku mayor lo cumpre ay aquí. E outra rin kuta sigita tradicional princess, bruja e espirito. Pa adulto, e disfraz tan kulo domina ay aquí ta bruja, vampiro e pirata. E seguro no porque da fo, de disfraz mas popular pe mascota, kuta queda e pampuna.